myself Mimalie, a first year student studying episode 1. Today, I'll show my emergency go bag, something that literally could save lives during emergencies such as typhoons, floods, or earthquakes. During such times, it's not just being smart to be prepared, it's necessary. This is what to do when a disaster occurs. First, ready in canned goods and bottled water. Food and water are the first consideration in any crisis. I've added ready-to-eat canned goods that does not need to be cooked and bottled water to keep you hydrated. Second, valuable documents. Waterproof plastic bag here. I put photocopies of my family's IDs, birth certificate, and few emergency contact numbers. These are important if we need to evacuate or call for help. Third, hygiene kit. I put the simplest hygiene items like soap, toothbrush, toothpaste, alcohol, tissues, and sanitary supplies. Being clean prevents sickness, particularly in evacuation centers. Fourth, medicines. I added over-the-counter medications for headache, fever, and abdominal pain, and any prescription medication that is necessary. It's always good to have help keep happy. Lastly, flashlight and spare batteries. Storm often cause power outage. A flashlight assists us in walking safely in the dark. I ensured that I added spare batteries as well. This go bag may appear plain, but each and every item contained could be a lifesaver when the worst happened. Being prepared is powerful, and you can start with your home. I hope this encourages you to create your own go bag and safety no matter what life brings. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening, and stay prepared.